It's a what?
Vous encore?
Elle a dit qu'il avait l'air sympa. Celui-là, il a l'air dans les trop surtout.
Yeah, what's a celebration?
My pleasure.
What's going on?
We are just closing the street
Okay,
like that
nice.
to live and be happy,
To be happy.
dancing,
Okay,
eat some oysters, drink some wine.
that's nice.
Yeah,
Very nice.
just take it easy. La dernière,
Thank
je vais
you.
prendre un peu de pleasure.
Bye. It's the road closed for oysters. Let's see what's going on with the food over here.
Comment ça va?
Hello, how are you?
Good, good and you?
It's, yeah, stuff I don't eat.
Would you like to take some oysters?
Sure, yeah. I never tried one before. Oh.
So I choose you a small one.
Yeah.
You can, I think, just close your eyes, imagine the ocean.
Imagine the ocean.
I will do some birds, seabirds noises.
How is it? Aren't you supposed to put like a lemon on it?
You want to keep it like a souvenir?
Take me tasting it. Did you eat one at a time?
Yeah, just put it all in your mouth at once.
Dans le Morbihan.
Come on. Don't jump.
I'll just do a little bit.
Okay, whatever you need to do.